Comrades Marathon e thakgotse Comrades Centenary Hope Challenge ka jeno mo mokota ba monongwaga e leng ho tlisa tshepo ntweng e kgahlano le COVID-19 mme lebelo le tla qala ka la 13 kgweding ya Phupjane ke selemo sa bobedi ka tatellano lebelo la Comrades le phumulwa.
The campaign slogan for this year's event is Ithemba, Hope Is, which aims to acknowledge and express each individual's runner's hope, what the feeling means to them, and to inspire other athletes to dig deep and discover their own hopes and dreams for a better future and the new normal in a world ravaged by COVID-19.
Dimathi tse kenelang lebelo di tlo matha ka bomong kapa ka dihlotshwana mo lebelo le mathwang ka mekgahlelo e 5 go qala dikilometara tse 5 ho ya ho tse 90. Dimathi tla fuwa dihora tse 24 ho ka qeta lebelo.
For our virtual event this year, participants will again have an opportunity to earn centenary medal after completing various race distances, as well as the chance to buy a limited Comrades branded merchandise like buffs, masks, and etc.
Boingodiso bo qala ka jeno le ho kwala letsatsing leo lebelo le qalang ka lona.